In risk management, what's comfortable and easy is rarely profitable and safe. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Risk management is not just about avoiding risks, but about understanding them and taking calculated actions to mitigate them. Risk management is not about avoiding risks altogether, but about managing and minimizing them to maximize opportunities. Successful risk management is about identifying the potential risks, analyzing their potential impact, and taking proactive measures to mitigate them. Risk management is a continuous process that requires constant evaluation, adjustment, and adaptation to the changing business landscape. A well-executed risk management strategy not only protects against potential losses but also unlocks new opportunities for growth and innovation. Risk management is not a one-time event, it's a mindset that should be embedded in every aspect of an organization's culture and decision-making process. The key to effective risk management is not to eliminate risks but to strike the right balance between risk and reward. Risk management is a discipline that combines foresight, analysis, and action to anticipate, evaluate, and mitigate potential risks. It is about making informed decisions, weighing the probabilities and potential impacts of various outcomes, and taking steps to minimize negative consequences while maximizing opportunities. Risk management is not about fear, it's about embracing uncertainty and using it as a catalyst for progress and innovation. Risk management is like a compass that guides you through turbulent waters, helping you navigate the unpredictable and chart a course toward success. Taking risks is not reckless, it's a strategic move that can lead to breakthroughs and significant achievements. The greatest risk in life is not taking risks at all. Embrace uncertainty, step out of your comfort zone, and discover your true potential. Risk management is not a luxury, it's a necessity in today's complex and interconnected world. Managing risks requires a combination of knowledge, experience, intuition, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. Risk management is a multidimensional process that goes beyond mere avoidance or reduction of risks. It involves understanding the complex interplay between internal and external factors, assessing the likelihood and potential impact of various risks, and formulating proactive strategies to manage them. It requires a comprehensive and integrated approach that encompasses risk identification, analysis, evaluation, treatment, and monitoring. Risk management is not just about protecting what you have, it is about embracing uncertainty and leveraging it to create value. It is about being proactive rather than reactive, anticipating and capitalizing on emerging risks and opportunities, and being agile in a rapidly changing world. It requires a mindset of curiosity, open-mindedness, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. Risk management is not an event, it's an ongoing process that requires diligence, adaptability, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Risk management is not just about protecting what you have, it's about creating a foundation for future success and sustainability. Risk management is not about avoiding failure but about learning from it and using that knowledge to improve and grow. Risk management is not a standalone function or a one-size-fits-all approach. It is an integral part of good governance and effective leadership. It requires strong leadership commitment, clear accountability, and active engagement from all levels of the organization. It involves embedding risk management practices into daily operations, aligning risk management objectives with strategic goals, and promoting a risk-aware culture where everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Risk management is not a one-time event or a reactive measure, it is a continuous and proactive process. It involves constantly scanning the horizon for potential risks, assessing their likelihood and impact, and taking preemptive actions to mitigate or exploit them. By embracing risk management as an ongoing practice, organizations can stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changing circumstances, and turn challenges into opportunities. Risk management is not just about protecting assets, it is about safeguarding reputation, building trust, and ensuring long-term sustainability. It involves considering not only financial risks but also operational, legal, regulatory, environmental, and social risks. By adopting a holistic and integrated approach to risk management, organizations can enhance their resilience, maintain stakeholder confidence, and create enduring value for all. Thanks for watching.